Ukrainian infantry were sheltering inside a damaged building to rest when a Russian FPV drone entered through an opening in the roof. The situation escalated quickly, and the outcome brought the brief pause to an abrupt end. A Russian FPV drone struck a temporary gathering point used by Ukrainian forces, with a dense cloud of smoke visible after the impact. Viewers are invited to share their thoughts on the footage and follow for updates. It was revealed that the Ukrainian infantryman was hiding under a tree. The operator quickly engaged and neutralized the soldier. When a drone is heard approaching a vehicle, the window to react is extremely short. Those first few seconds can determine whether the crew avoids harm or not. In the Orkhov direction, FPV drone operators from the 328th Guards Air Assault Regiment of the Ulyanovsk Guards Air Assault Division successfully struck Ukrainian personnel and equipment. The operation highlights the precision and tactical impact of small unmanned systems on frontline engagements. A Ukrainian locomotive was damaged after being struck by a drone near the village of Barbin, according to reports. Russian FPV drones disrupted enemy troop rotations during reconnaissance and strike operations. According to the report, vehicles, including pickups and armored units, along with positions and temporary assembly points, were disabled. In this scene, a Russian FPV drone becomes entangled in tree branches, and its payload does not detonate. The drone remains operational. Moments later, two Ukrainian infantrymen pass nearby, making for a tense and unusual sequence captured on footage. Border guards at one section of the border successfully intercepted Ukrainian strike UAVs attempting to fly deeper into the country.
Yes.
In the Death Road region, Russian soldiers exited their vehicle just in time to engage an enemy drone. They successfully shot it down, creating a tense and dramatic moment. An FPV drone operator from the 346th Brigade of Russia's southern group of forces successfully destroyed an enemy BBM Cossack armored vehicle. The enemy is rapidly losing transport vehicles. The shortage of equipment is severely affecting logistics and evacuation, reducing the mobility of units and their ability to maneuver on the front line. A drone operator from the 3rd Combined Arms Army of Russia's southern group of forces successfully destroyed an enemy ammunition depot. The strike demonstrates the growing role of unmanned systems in targeting critical supply nodes, allowing forces to inflict significant logistical damage from a safe distance. Another R-18 Baba Yaga system of the Ukrainian armed forces has been destroyed. The loss of this tactical weapon highlights the ongoing attrition of frontline assets and the high risks faced by deployed systems in contested combat zones. The crew of a 152mm 2A65 MSTB gun from Russia's 2nd Artillery Brigade, working alongside reconnaissance UAV operators from the 7th Brigade, successfully destroyed a dugout containing Ukrainian forces in the Kalniki area. In the Kalniki area, artillerymen of Russia's 88th Brigade used a 122mm D-30 howitzer to destroy a Ukrainian UAV control point along with enemy personnel. The strike demonstrates the continued use of indirect artillery fire to target forward enemy positions and disrupt drone operations on the battlefield. A unit of Ivanovsky paratroopers from Russia's airborne assault forces used Molniya-2 strike UAVs to destroy temporary Ukrainian positions on the right bank of the Dnieper in Kherson. The operation demonstrates the integration of airborne troops with unmanned strike platforms to target enemy forces quickly and accurately along contested riverfront.